We will guide you through how to make pause and play effect in Movavi Video Editor. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Movavi Video Editor icon to launch the program on your computer. Once the editor is open, click File Import, and then choose Add Files to browse your device. Select the main video together with the two icon images that you will use for the pause and play effect. Click the Open button to continue. When the import process is complete, the files will appear in the Project Files section. Drag and drop the main video onto the timeline section. Next, move the timeline to the exact point where you want the pause effect to appear. Right-click the video and select the Insert Freeze Frame option to generate a still image from that frame. Split the video at the current timeline position, then move the split clip to create enough space for the freeze frame. Drag and drop the freeze frame into the video track so it fills the empty gap. After that, drag and drop the pause icon above the freeze frame. Right-click the pause icon and select the Video Tools menu. Then click the Chroma key option. Use the Pick Color tool to select the green screen background. Next, click Animation and choose Add Animation. Move the timeline and add a keyframe. Then set the opacity of the first keyframe to 0%. Position the first and second keyframes so the pause icon appears after a 0.5-second delay. Now drag and drop the play button icon onto the timeline. Remove its green screen background by using the Chroma key feature. Click Animation again and select Add Animation. Create the first and last keyframes at the end of the play button clip. Then set the opacity of the last keyframe to 0%. Move the timeline back to the beginning and click the full screen icon. Press the play button to preview the completed pause and play effect in your video project.